Hi Filipino learners, my name is JC. Kumusta kayo? This video is going to be a very short one. We are going to talk about the difference between SILA and SINA. I do get a lot of questions and comments about this, so I thought it would be a good idea to talk about it in one of my videos. Let us begin with SILA. Basically, SILA is a third-person subject pronoun in Tagalog. So it can mean they or them. Halimbawa, pumunta sila sa Maynila. They went to Manila. Bumisita sila sa Indonesia. They visited Indonesia. Bumili sila ng bahay. They bought a house. On the other hand, SINA is a subject marker you use if the subjects are names of people and are more than one person. Halimbawa, pumunta sina Paulo at Marvin sa Maynila. Paulo and Marvin went to Manila. So SINA is not a pronoun like they or sila. It's just a marker that we use. So if you look at this example, Paulo at Marvin is Paulo and Marvin in English. Pumunta is went. Sa Maynila is to Manila. As you can see, there's no translation in English for SINA because you don't have subject markers in English. But in Tagalog, it's a must. So if the topic or the subject of the sentence are names of people and they are more than one person, you use SINA. You cannot say, pumunta Paulo at Marvin sa Maynila because it sounds incomplete. You have to add a subject marker. In our example, the topic or subject is more than one person, so we use SINA. But if it's only one name of person, you use si. Like, pumunta si Paulo sa Maynila. See? A few more examples. Bumisita sina Kyla, Pia at Shirley sa Indonesia. Kyla, Pia, and Shirley visited Indonesia. Bumili sina Monica at Jacob ng bahay. Monica and Jacob bought a house. Before we end, how about a little quiz? Choose whether you should use SILA or SINA in these sentences. You may pause the video while answering, and then the answer will appear after the countdown has ended. There you go. Pretty easy, right? Well, that is it for today's video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, you may subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sa susunod ulit. Paalam.